Hi, welcome to Hybrid-Dino Brothers. This is another little brother toy review. Today, what is this beanie? It's a Beanie Boo. Today, what is this Beanie Boo's name?
You can read it. There's one. Its name's Jewel.
Its name is Jewel. Let me focus it for you.
Yes, that's a Beanie Boo.
And it's a flippable.
What's this? With that head, then
It can turn silver.
and it's a keychain like this time.
You press down on a certain area.
It's here time.
And you can clip it onto your backpack.
I'm going to clip on my sock.
And what animal it is?
Big box.
Yeah. Is it a magical fox? It has pinkish tangerine eyes. It has a big fluffy tail.
Clipping it on my sock.
You can try clipping it on. See, you can look. Let's clip it onto something. It may start looking like this,
But you have to just
fix it when
like
you get it. There it is. Ooh. Ooh.
And it
And
has white.
It's white
Pink
and
tail.
black. Pink tail.
These are
Ooh.
eyes.
And there it is. This is going to be the end of this Hybrid-Dino little brother toy